In today's diverse job market, individuals seeking employment have more options than ever before, making it possible to find credible solutions without necessarily going through college. One emerging trend is the rise of trade jobs, which offer substantial earning potential. So today, I'll take you to trade jobs that make more money than you think. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the ThriveWise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Number 1. Electric Lineman. A high-paying trade job is that of an electric lineman or power line technician. These professionals are responsible for the repair, installation, and maintenance of electric power lines and distribution equipment. However, this job requires individuals to overcome a significant challenge: working at great heights. Being comfortable with heights is crucial as linemen often work above the ground in various weather conditions, exposing them to potential falls and the risk of electrocution from high voltage equipment. Nevertheless, for those with an interest in electrical work, an $85,000 salary makes this trade job highly enticing. High school qualifications and a 3-year apprenticeship in the field are the primary requirements to embark on this career path. Number 2. Elevator Mechanic. The profession of an elevator mechanic has experienced a rise in demand due to the increasing number of non-residential buildings incorporating elevators. This trade job involves installing, repairing, maintaining, and troubleshooting elevator systems. While certification is not mandatory, many individuals choose to pursue a short certification course after completing a 4-year apprenticeship. A career as an elevator mechanic offers a median salary of $79,800 or more. However, it is important to note that this profession also presents challenges. Elevator mechanics often work irregular hours, as they are on call at all times. The work environment can also be hazardous, posing risk of burns or injuries from falls. Additionally, those with claustrophobia may find this job unsuitable, as it often involves working in tight spaces. But despite these considerations, the financial rewards and the opportunity to work in a dynamic field make it a promising career path. Number 3. Power Plant Operator. Power plant operators play a crucial role in the energy industry, ensuring the efficient and uninterrupted supply of electricity. Their responsibilities encompass a range of tasks, from monitoring and controlling the operation of electricity generating equipment to conducting routine maintenance and troubleshooting issues that may arise. To become a power plant operator, one doesn't necessarily need a college degree. Instead, a high school diploma and a strong understanding of the job requirements are typically sufficient. However, it is crucial to possess a good work ethic, discipline, and attention to detail to excel in this field. As power plant operators gain experience and knowledge on the job, they become adept at handling the complex machinery and systems involved in electricity generation. Apart from the financial rewards, power plant operators also enjoy the satisfaction of contributing to the reliable functioning of the power grid, which is vital for countless industries and households. They work in a dynamic and challenging environment that requires them to adapt to changing situations and make quick decisions. Moreover, power plant operators often have opportunities for career growth and advancement as they gain experience and demonstrate their proficiency in operating power plants. With an average salary of almost $100,000 per year, power plant operators are well compensated for their essential role in the energy sector. The job's financial stability and the potential for long-term growth make it an attractive career option for individuals interested in the field of energy and seeking a rewarding trade job. Number 4. Aircraft Technician. For individuals who have an interest in planes but prefer not to be pilots, a career as an aircraft technician can be an excellent choice. While formal knowledge of airplanes and flying maneuvers are necessary, aircraft technicians focus on maintaining the aircraft's condition by servicing, repairing, and reporting any issues. This role requires a meticulous attention to detail and a commitment to safety. The salary range for aircraft technicians is substantial, ranging from $35,000 to $110,000 per year, reflecting the critical role they play in keeping aircrafts operational. Number 5. Nuclear Medicine Technician. A nuclear medicine technician assists caregivers and doctors by working with radioactive drugs in hospitals and clinics. This specialized science demands a solid educational background to ensure the safe administration of potentially toxic substances. In addition to administering drugs, nuclear medicine technicians provide support to patients during screenings, requiring excellent people skills. The work hours in this field can be demanding, including weekends and holidays, but the compensation reflects the dedication, with a median salary of over $81,000 to $100,000 per year. Nuclear medicine technicians can expect to be among the highest paid employees within their organizations. Number 6. Carpenter. If you possess a talent for crafting aesthetically pleasing pieces and enjoy do-it-yourself projects, a career as a carpenter may be an excellent fit. Carpentry has become increasingly valued in society as people seek unique and visually appealing pieces. While formal vocational education can be advantageous, it is not a strict requirement. Creativity and the ability to produce standout pieces are crucial for success in this trade. Leveraging social media platforms to market your work and build a brand that resonates with your target clientele is highly recommended. Additionally, having a pleasant personality is essential as you will encounter clients with varying attitudes, including difficult or rude individuals. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really helps us spread the ThriveWise love so we can help more people thrive wisely. And going back, number 7. Construction Manager. Becoming a construction manager requires more extensive qualifications, including a bachelor's degree, a state license, and at least 1 year of training. The primary responsibility of a construction manager is overseeing and supervising construction projects. This role demands excellent leadership and communication skills as you will be delegating tasks and managing contractors. Unlike some other trades, construction management is less hazardous, and you will have minimal involvement in high-risk operations. With an average salary of approximately $73,000 per year, this trade offers attractive rewards for those with a passion of overseeing complex construction endeavors. Number 8. Architectural Drafter. Architectural drafters play a pivotal role in the construction industry by creating detailed drawings that serve as references for building structures. To become an architectural drafter, a degree in architecture or a related field is typically required. Specialization opportunities exist, such as focusing on residential or commercial buildings, as well as choosing specific building materials. This profession offers both glory and financial rewards. Architectural drafters who possess qualities such as composure, excellent interpersonal skills, and adhere to timelines can find success in this field. Moreover, the flexibility of working hours and the possibility of working remotely as a freelancer are added benefits. Number 9. Electricians. Electricians are skilled trade professionals who specialize in working with electrical systems. They play a crucial role in the installation, repair, and maintenance of electrical wiring, fixtures, and equipment. Whether it's installing new wiring in a residential building or replacing outdated systems in commercial establishments, electricians ensure that electrical systems are safe, reliable, and up to code. Safety is of utmost importance in the field of electrical work, and electricians are trained to prioritize it in every aspect of their job. Meticulous and detailed-oriented, they carefully follow electrical plans and specifications to ensure proper installation and minimize the risk of accidents or malfunctions. Additionally, they possess a deep understanding of electrical codes and regulations to ensure compliance and safety in their work. To embark on a career as an electrician, obtaining a degree or completing vocational training is highly beneficial. These educational programs provide a solid foundation in electrical theory, wiring techniques, and safety practices. Furthermore, acquiring a fire safety certification or receiving specialized training in this area can enhance an electrician's expertise and make them even more valuable in the industry. Electricians work in a variety of settings, including residential, commercial, and industrial environments. They may be responsible for installing lighting systems, rewiring outlets, troubleshooting electrical problems, or performing routine maintenance. The nature of their work requires them to be attentive and cautious, as they often deal with potentially hazardous situations involving electricity. And in terms of compensation, electricians can expect to earn competitive salaries, with an average annual income of up to $70,000 per year. Electricians enjoy a rewarding career path. Moreover, electricians have opportunities for career advancement, specialization, and entrepreneurship, making it a dynamic and fulfilling profession. Number 10. Medical sonographer. In the era of trendy baby gender reveals, medical sonographers are in high demand. As medical photographers, they capture sonograms that have become an integral part of modern pregnancies. To become a medical sonographer, excellent interpersonal skills are essential to establish a rapport with nervous patients. Additionally, having a calm demeanor is crucial, as not all sonogram results may be positive. Educational training is necessary to operate the machines and interpret the information they provide. With the increasing popularity of sonograms, medical sonographers have a lucrative income stream. Number 11. Industrial machinery mechanics. With the increasing prominence of machines, industrial machinery mechanics have emerged as crucial professionals responsible for the repair and maintenance of industrial equipment. These highly skilled engineers specialize in repairing one or more types of industrial equipment. Extensive knowledge acquired through dedicated education is necessary for this trade. Industrial machinery mechanics must possess sharp problem-solving skills and meticulous attention to detail. Their duties include scheduled machine maintenance, oiling and greasing machine parts, and troubleshooting breakdowns. Working on-site alongside other employees, they must have excellent teamwork and communication skills. The annual salary for industrial machinery mechanics can reach up to $65,000 a year, reflecting the importance of their role. And well, that's basically trade jobs that make more money than you think. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.